Assalamualaikum, this is Qasim Ali, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean the RAM of iPhone X or 11 or whatever. You have to go to the settings, search for assisted touch, and then you'll have to customize it. May bring out a home button on this assistive touch. After that, you go to the home, and I'm going to show you that I have already loaded some apps. The apps are already open, they are in the RAM of the mobile. Now I'm going to show you guys how to clean the RAM. Press the power volume button up, down, and then home lock button, and then you'll see this screen. After that, you'll have to go here and press the home button. As you can see, it took you to the back to the screen. I'm going to enter the password here. Now you can see all the apps will be reloading. All the apps are reloaded. That's all, and I'm going to post another video of how to reset or restart the phone or reboot the iPhone. Thank you for watching.